Hello everyone. So before going to my video, please click on subscribe button and also tap on bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. So welcome to my channel once again. So today we are going to see about part 2 of Linux commands. So let's get started. So first command is that we are going to see to display less information of your file. So actually I already have a file in my directory, so I'm just navigating to that. So for that command is cd downloads. So you can see I have a one PDF. So I'm just typing less the file name. You can see that it has pressed first 10 lines of this line, so that we have a less information. So just type q to exit. So next command that we are going to see how to no, display more information of a file. Before we saw less information, now we are going to see more information. So same syntax, type more small letters and type 1.pdf. So it is loading. So it is trying to give more information of the page. So to see more images, you can just scroll it. See, you can scroll it page by page. So actually yeah, this is how we go. I'm just clearing it. So next command that we are going to see is how to create directories. So this is very important command. So you'll be creating using this day in daily basis. The command is make directory. So mkdir. So you can create any number of directories. Right now I'm creating a directory 1 and directory 2. You can see it has been created. Great. So now I will let you know how to copy directories. So I'm just, it's a command is cp. So I'm copying 1.pdf to a different directory. So now it's copied, you can see. So I'm going to directory 1 and make sure the 1.pdf is copied to that particular yes, it's done. So fast than a Windows system. It's cool to have a Linux in your office or in home. So next time telling like how to delete file. So it is also very important. It's a basic command. So just type rm sniff for remove and space your file name. So in this particular directory you can see the file has been removed. So fast. Yes, Linux is so fast. So just type clear. So now I'm clearing all the commands. So next command that we are going to see is so how to move. So that's also very important command that you will be doing in daily basis. So ls I'm just going to a different directory. So now I'm going to back. So I can see one file, 2 directories are available. So I'm moving all the directories of d directory 1 to directory 2. So now we can see directory 1 is moved to directory 2. So if I check in directory 1, sorry, directory 2, you can find this directory 1 is available. So how cool is that, right? So it is so fast that you can copy at file at high speed. So now I'm going to go to root directory. I'm just clearing it. So next command that we are going to see how to find type of commands. So really want to know like what type is it. So just type and give your command name. Less is which you already seen. So it will say less is hashed. It is available in particular path, and you can see type cd, you can type rm. So any thing you can type. You can see it's a basic information about it. So I will let you just try it out, this command. It's helpful in knowing about what exactly the command type. So I'm just right now clearing it. Okay, so next is we are going to how to find the location of the command. So I want to know where the command is located. So I will just type which. So it's commonly used command. Just type for cd, it won't work. So I'm typing which ls. So you can see it is available in the bin folder. So then I tried cp, it is available again in the bin folder. So rm also is in bin. So bin all is a binary, it has all the binary files. So most of the commands will be in the bin only. Yes. So for exceed we don't have location, so it's no, it's okay. So now I trying to manual. So which man? So just clear it. Okay, that is good. So next thing that we are going to see. So how to see help topics for that particular command. It's also very useful. So how to use this one. So to know about this information. So just type help your command name. So this will tell help topic, so what the command does and what are the, it's very similar to manual. So next thing that we are going to see, help cp. So here for cp you need to use man or info, this thing. So for rm also it won't work, help doesn't work. So that so this is for I think for type is available. So if you type help type, so those information is available. Okay, I'm just clearing it. Okay, so next thing that we are going to see how to search the manual. So how to search manual page and its description. So that what we are going to see. So it's very rarely used. So the command is yes apr opos and your command name pwd. Here it shows all the information about this command, and also you can try with different commands. You can see it contains all the description and such information. So I'm just clearing it, it's very rarely used, so just clear it. Okay, next command that we are going to see, it's very unique command, and also it will be used in all types of uh, information. Like if you want to check information of particular command, you can use it. Just type info space your command. So now you can try with other command also. Just type info space man. So this will give the short information about the manual and how the usage. So you can see you can use different options along with it. Next time just typing in forum. So this will give remove command information. So it is very useful to know about information of particular command. So more whatever we saw before, it's very similar. So but it has a different names, that's it. So you can use any uh, thing, anything which is comfortable with you. So that is my, I personally recommend help topic and also manual, so that you can use it. So this is another command, like to know about the what is this command actually. So for cd it won't work. So next we will try what is pwd. It's very short form. Before we saw big description of particular command, also how the usage. So this is very short. So what is rm, it will tell remove files. What is cp, it will tell copy files. Very short information, that is more than enough actually. So I just toppering wrong command. So what is type? So sometimes it doesn't work for some particular commands, it's restricted. So you can see what is clear, it clears the terminal. So it's very short commands to know about this one. So next we are going to see how to find username of my Linux PC. So it's very handy. So this is very oftenly used. So who am I, just type who am I, it will say daily tutorial. So this is your username. So for you it will be different, so it will show your username. So just clear it. So this command is very useful actually. So to see the summary of today's commands, So we have a very useful command. So just type history and press enter. So you will see you know list of commands that we tried today. So you can just scroll through it. So it will have all the history of commands that we used today, and maybe before I also have used. So all the informations are available. So this you can just check it. So I'm just clearing the terminal. So if this is, and this is very important, this thing, command like echo. So echo whatever you type with echo, it will showcase. For example, echo space the message name, it will print the particular message term in the terminal. So kindly thank you for watching and have a nice day, and please subscribe my channel for more videos, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. I hope you like my videos. Please support us. So I am just creating all the videos for free. So bye. See you in next video. Thanks.